Hello friends, thank you one and all for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel, and those who haven't done it, please do it if you like my recipes. Today I'm going to show you one mixed vegetable curry. You can have this curry with either rice or chapati. Come on, let us see how to prepare it. Potato, brinjal, methi, tomato puree, capsicum, onion, green chili and ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, jeera and rock salt. These are the veggies I'm going to use for this curry today. Let us see how to add oil in a cooker. Once the oil is heated, add cumin seeds or jeera, and once the cumin seeds splutter, add the green chilies, onions and the ginger garlic paste and stir it well. Now fry the onions nicely and then add salt to it and then stir it well. After frying the onions, I'm adding the capsicum. Now goes the methi, chopped methi into it. And then stir it nicely. After sorting the methi leaves, I'm adding the cut brinjal soaked in the water because brinjal oxidizes fast and becomes black, so we need to keep it in the water after cutting. And now I'm adding the boiled and cut potatoes into it, and then goes the tomato puree into it, and then I'm adding the turmeric powder and goes the red chili powder. And once adding all these, we need to stir it thoroughly, all the vegetables with the red chili powder, turmeric, salt, everything, and then add water. Since we are going to pressure cook for 2 whistles, I have added a glass of water to it. Now pressure cook the vegetables for 2 whistles and serve it hot. So this is how we prepare this recipe. So please do share this recipe to one and all, so that this will help all the people over there who are away from their homes without their family and they are single, so that they can cook by themselves. And one more thing I want to request you people is that please do follow my herbal ginger tea recipe and the rasam at least alternate days. If you have these two, you can gain immunity as well as protect yourselves from any kind of viruses. So stay healthy and be happy. Please take care. Bye bye.